So we are doing the long-awaited chalet tour of our chalet. Good morning, it's 6:30. I woke up like 5 times thinking it's already 6:30, but it's finally 6:30. Should we just get up at 6:30 on vacation? Yes. It's my like goal every time. Alright, where's the good lighting? Oh, it's really good. Oh. And we're all in our pajamas right now. Oh yeah, so that is where we're staying. And we'll give you a tour later. We're chasing some crabs. Oh, there's a crab. Wow, it's a huge crab. Look at that. Oh, that is huge.
You guys stop.
That's so cool. Okay, so the consensus is we all like getting up at 6:30 in the morning for you. And now we're gonna get into the tour of where we stay. It's the chalet. Chalet, we give you a tour.
Shall we tour the chalet?
Yeah!
That's Danielle's joke.
But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Ding, ding. Yeah. And comment and like and share with other people because we love to be a community.
Yay! Yay!
That's the beach, and those are the chalets, and ours is like behind there. You'll see it in a second. Woo! Alright, let's go in. There are 2 rooms, 1 room there and 1 room there. Our mom's in that one, and we are in that one. So let's see ours first.
We have clean feet.
Ooh.
Welcome. So it's pretty messy.
This is where we sleep.
This is like really.
I mean, look how lovely the sun is.
Yeah. And they have these really cool mosquito nets.
But then they keep out all the air as well.
So there's no aircon, just a fan. So
With a newly put on roof.
yeah, so it's
look at
really
the
hot.
screen. So that means they just put it on.
Really cool. Alright, you might want to see it from the. Okay, so here's where all of our clothes are.
Well, not all.
Well,
A lot of our clothes, like bathing suits, just
things that are wet because outside the humidity doesn't let the water dry out. And just some things that we like to hang up. Look, this super cute mini hairbrush. I love it so much. Shout out to Body Wash. No, shout out to
body wash. Shout out to
Sponsor us, please. Yeah. Okay. So if you go to see Gypsy, on the way here we go in a boat. So everybody. We go in a boat. So then, there we go. Yeah.
my train.
I look naked. She's not naked, by the way. We go in a boat and you might get wet. So to make sure you're not wet. Yeah.
Don't wear skirts or pants.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wear short
Well,
stuff.
I mean, skirts are okay because you can lift them up.
Yeah. But basically put your bags in this.
Yeah.
If you have it, I don't even know where they got it. We just had this and they didn't get wet.
IKEA
luckily.
bags are from IKEA.
Yeah, but like that one, you know? It's like a zip up IKEA
So we
bag.
put our duffel bags inside because sometimes.
You mean out of the
Alright, yeah.
in the bathroom.
It's not so pretty compared to the rest of it.
But yeah.
It's rustic.
Yeah.
Oh, light. Oh,
No.
it's just a
And then
garbage
An open shower.
toilet.
There. And the toilet and the mirror. Wait, let's.
And
And
it's
then this is the shower.
Let's video
it's actually
ourselves
quite
in the
cool
mirror.
how the shower's there, and then it's all the same area.
Let's video ourselves in the mirror.
Oh yeah.
Danielle, get it.
Dance party.
Yeah! Except only 2 of us are dancers. Okay, so that is our room, and then we go to the toilet.
Room.
And now here is our mom's room.
This is actually really eco-friendly, though. It's
It
great,
is eco-friendly resort.
and we need to save the
Except for
animals,
the
you
whole
know.
trash on the beach.
Oh yes, we forgot to mention, basically watch till the very end of the video to see something kind of sad at the end.
Okay.
And like, but
There we go.
They don't
Yeah,
like
just
my
with your
arm
friends.
holding. It's not my fault I'm short, okay?
It's not my fault I'm
share
tall.
this with your friends so they can see the bit at the end.
Yeah.
This is the other room, and we have a little surprise.
I have teleported.
Yes, you're teleported.
But basically, if you stay here, make sure you tuck them in.
Yeah.
Then the mosquitoes won't get in for sure. I was not bitten at all, and you've got 2 mosquito
Three
bites, 3
bites
mosquito bites,
now.
because she didn't tuck hers in, I think. Yeah.
And the great part is, the beach is just right.
Oh wait,
there.
it's the 4th of July.
Oh, happy 4th of July, everybody.
Saturday. Well, Wednesday.
Yep.
in
It was Canada
Malaysia.
Day like 3 days ago. We
It was
didn't do
the 4th
anything
of July.
because
Eh.
we were packing for Gypsy.
Happy 4th of July to why is it
Woo! We're not American,
people.
but happy Canada to Canadian people, and happy Lithuanian Day,
It's
which
blurry.
is 2 days. So it's the Happy Cosmopolitan Day.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We like don't do anything for 4th of July.
Yeah, we're here.
We'll have to
Yeah.
Alright.
There we go, it's focusing. Okay, how are you feeling about Sea Gypsy?
I'm feeling great about it, except that I woke up really, really sweaty this morning. But it has been really fun so far, and we're gonna do paddleboarding today.
I know. Oh my gosh, we should film the paddleboarding picnic a little bit.
Yes.
We'll film the picnic.
Maybe not.
Breakfast, so we're gonna show you around the. And also, I just want to say, I slept for like 8.5 hours, probably fell asleep at around 10, but look, my eye bags are almost gone. They were so huge, and now they're like, I don't know, they're just so nice. We went to bed at 9:30 because it was super pitch black.
I know, it's pitch black, and after it gets dark, there's really nothing to do, so that's why you can wake up early at Sea Gypsy, because you get enough sleep. So that's where we're gonna have breakfast, right over there. That's the building. No, 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 no.
Ow, I got sand in my foot. It's like, oh, ow, I got sand in my foot.
Oh no, you moved too fast. I zoomed it too far. Okay, let's continue. Just if anyone wants to know, I'm the most responsible one. Well, look, we're here.
You're 17.
So we'll show you, this is the buffet behind us, and we're gonna show you the lounge and area.
Yeah.
That's the kids bar, it's so cool. So this is, oh gosh.
That, yeah, we're not allowed to come here after 7.
But we were here after 7 anyways, so shh. And then there's this really nice comfy chairs, and then the beach is right there.
It's great.
Very good.
We're gonna eat breakfast now.
Yep, okay, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment.
And listen to Hamilton.
I hope you really enjoyed this video, and this is gonna make you want to come to this eco-friendly Sea Gypsy resort as well.
In Sibu, Malaysia.
Not in the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I love you. Mwah.
Bye.
Look what humans have done. This is, like, over there is the Sea Gypsy beach, and over here is the non-Sea Gypsy beach that just is there, and it's really sad because this is basically us doing it.
People should do a lot better cleaning up this.
So we're doing our effort to stop using plastic. You do your own effort.
And a couple weeks ago, me and Maya went swimming with manta rays. And the magical sea flap. There was tons of plastic in the water. And it was sad.
It makes the experience much sadder, and you see it's us destroying their habitats. So let's do our best to stop using as much plastic as we can.
We're destroying our own habitat. Actually, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we are soon going to have meals made out of plastic. Like the egg they made in China.
Yay! Subscribe, like, and comment.
Why are we doing a thumbs up?